All right, just in at Unique, we have a 1987 Chevrolet K10 half-ton four-wheel drive Shortbox pickup that just came to us from North Carolina. Very, very, very solid truck here, guys. No Bondo, no patches, none of that kind of stuff. Extremely solid truck. Powered by its 350 V8. And very nicely equipped too. I'll show you the bottom here. You can see how nice and straight the rockers are, the bottom of the box. This truck absolutely stands tall. Near new rubber on it. Inside of the box is as nice as the outside of the truck. There you go. Dual exhaust, the truck sounds good, runs good, handles good. This truck does not wander and meander down the road like a lot of lifted trucks you see. The truck handles nice, goes straight. I'll open the inside here. Nicely equipped truck, as I mentioned, 350 V8. It's also got power steering, power brakes, factory air, power windows and door locks, tilt wheel. A nice upgraded aftermarket stereo there. And a rear sliding window too, got to have that. Go ahead and fire it up here quick. As you can hear, it has a nice sound to it, but nothing too obnoxious. These square bodies are gaining in popularity every day, and to be able to find a incredibly solid, rust-free example like this is also getting harder to do. So don't let this one slip through your hands. It's got the right stance, the right look, right equipment. You can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are welcome, and financing is available as well.